Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karajgi Orchid School. We discuss about the WordPad. In that chapter, we discuss how to open the WordPad. How to open the WordPad? Click on the Start button, All Program, Accessories and then WordPad. Afterwards, we discuss about component of the WordPad. Next, in Home menu, how to cut and how to copy the selected text, word or sentence. That also we discuss. One word how to select and one sentence or more than one sentence how to select, that also we discuss. Now we will solve the skill sheet of this chapter. Now open your skill sheet. Page number 19. First one is a lab activity. We will solve skill sheet from first question. What is the first number question? Write the functions performed by the following. Means what is the use of given picture that we have to write here. What is the first one picture? What is the first one picture? Yes, good. It is useful for creating a new document. If you want to create a new document, that time it is useful. Now, what is the use of it? To create a new document. What is the use of this symbol, this picture? To create a new document. Next one is second one. It is the second one. What is the use of this symbol? In WordPad. Good. It is useful for to save the file. Next one is scissor. We know very well what is the use of scissor, and in computer also it is same useful. Right. What is the use of this picture, this symbol? Good. To cut the selected text or paragraph. What is the use of this symbol? To cut the selected text or paragraph. Means when we want to cut the one word or paragraph or sentence, that time it is useful. Now fourth one, what is the use of this symbol? Good. To copy the selected text or paragraph. To copy the selected text or paragraph. Now next one, what is it? Yes, it is alignment, for changing the alignment of the paragraph. Which alignment it is? Why we are using this? Good. It is left alignment. To do the left alignment for the selected text or paragraph. To do the left alignment for the selected text or paragraph. Now last one is, it is also alignment. Which alignment it is? Nice. It is center alignment. Then what is the use of this? To do the center alignment. Now write down fast. First one is, it is useful for to create a new document. Say everyone, to create a new document. Second one, to save the file. To save the file. Third one, to cut the selected text or paragraph. Fourth one, to copy the selected text or paragraph. Fifth one, to do the left aligning. And last one, to do the center align. Write down fast. Finish. Now next question on page number 20. If you not complete, then no problem, I will send you PDF that time completed. Now read with me. Fill in the blanks. First one, dash dash is the basic word processor which is more advanced than the notepad but simpler than Microsoft Word. Which is more advanced than the notepad but simpler than the Microsoft Word? What it is? Good, it is WordPad. What is the spelling of WordPad? WORDPAD, WordPad. Second one, the cut option is present on the dash dash menu. Cut option where is present? How many menu WordPad having? Good, two menu, home menu and view menu. Then where is the cut option? Nice, in home menu, HOME, home menu. Third one, to select a sentence in the WordPad, just click and dash dash the mouse. For selecting the sentence in WordPad, we must have to click the mouse left button and then good, drag the mouse. Then drag the mouse. Next one, B1, the dash dash and dash dash commands used to create a copy of the text. Means suppose in WordPad we want to do the copy of the text, then which options are useful? Good, copy and then paste. Copy and paste. For copying the selected text or sentence, we are using copy and paste, and for moving we are using cut and paste. Now most important question. So many times I told you how to open the WordPad. Firstly click on the start button, then all program, then accessories. How to open the WordPad? Click on the start button, all program and then accessories. F1, dash dash menu is used to format text. If you want to format the text, then which menu is useful? Only two menus are there, home menu and view menu. Then for formatting the text, which menu is useful? Good, home menu is useful. And now last fill in the blanks is dash dash menu is used to view the text. If you want to only view, in question there is answer only. What is the answer is there? Good, view menu. What is the answer? View menu. Now read with me. WordPad is the basic word processor which is more advanced than the notepad but simpler than Microsoft Word. Everyone read with me. Second one, the cut option is present on home menu. Third one, to select sentence in the WordPad, just click and drag the mouse. Fourth one, the copy and paste commands are used to create a copy of the text. Fifth one, To open WordPad, click on the Start button, then All Program, then and click the Accessories option. F1, sixth one, Home menu is used to format text. And last one, View menu is used to view text. Write down fast. Finish. Now then, third one. Use the following terms to label the WordPad window. It is the WordPad window and these are the names of this window when we have to label this WordPad window. What is the first one? What is the first one? WordPad button. Where is the WordPad button? Yes, it is the WordPad button. This one is WordPad button. This one is WordPad button. Now second one is title bar. Where is the title bar? Where is the title bar? Yes, this one is title bar. Second one is these options and these options are different. This is quick access toolbar. WordPad button, the quick access toolbar. This 8 one is the quick access toolbar. It is the small line and triangle, small triangle. It is quick access toolbar. We will go like that, line by word by word. Then we will understand where is the first one is a WordPad button. Second one is the quick access toolbar. If you go by this number, then we will get confused. That's why we will go like here, like that. First one is a WordPad button, then quick access toolbar. Now third one is title bar. These numbers and this is difference. If you go like that, then we will get little bit confused. That's why we will solve like that. First one is the WordPad button, quick access toolbar, then title bar, then ribbon. It is ribbon. See this arrow, WordPad button, quick access toolbar, title bar, ribbon, and this one leave it. Why? Because there is only 9 number and this one is extra. That's why leave here. Leave this line. Firstly, see the arrow. First arrow is WordPad button, quick access toolbar. Go arrow wise, don't go number wise. Then third one is a title bar. Next one is a ribbon. And this is, what is it? It is ruler. But ruler option is there? No. That's why leave this line. Leave this line as it is. Now next one. If you can't see here properly, you having skill sheet, seeing that. Control buttons, having 3 buttons. First one is a, yes, good, minimize button, then maximize button, and then close button. Minimize button, maximize button, close button. Now next one is cursor. Where is the cursor? This is the cursor. And what it is? We are writing, what we call where we are writing? Yes, it is workspace. Workspace. Okay? Now we will read one more time. Go this arrow by arrow. Don't go there number wise. First one is WordPad button, then quick access toolbar, then title bar, go arrow by arrow, first arrow, second arrow, third arrow, and right here upper side, then ribbon, then afterwards leave this line. Why? Because it is called ruler and there is a no ruler option. That's why leave here. Now next one is minimize button, then maximize button, and last one is close button. Now come down side. This is small blinking line. What do you call this small blinking line? It is cursor, and where we are writing that area is called as a workspace. What it is? Workspace. Now write down fast. Finish. Good. Write down fast. Finish everyone. Complete it fast. Now next one, fourth one question. What it is? State whether true or false. The given sentence is true or false. Cut option is used to cut the selected text. It is true or false? True. It is true. Cut option is used to cut the selected text. It is true. Now second one, undo option is present in home menu. Undo option is present in home menu. Where is the undo option is there? Yes, undo option is there. Undo option is in WordPad button. It is in home menu? No. Then this sentence is true or false? It is false. Next one. The ribbon consists of the WordPad button, home and view menu. Means in ribbon there is the WordPad button, home menu and view menu. It is true or false? Yes, it is true. It is true. Now fourth one, the tools on the home menu are used to formatting. Means by using the home menu we can format the text. It is true or false? Good. It is true. Now next one, WordPad is a word processor program used to type text. Means, what is the question? WordPad is the word processor program used to type text. By using WordPad we can type, and it is a word processor program. It is true or false? Yes, it is true. Now F1, read. This symbol means B is used to underline the text. B is useful for underline the text? No. Then it is false. Then what is the use of B? Yes, B is useful for bold the text. B is useful for bold the text. And what is the means if you want to do the underline, then which option is useful? U. U option is useful for underline the text. and B option is useful for bold text. Now second last, the font option is present in the view menu. The font option is present in view menu? No, then it is false. Then where is the font options? Font size, font style, where is these options? Good, in home menu. See this alignment? It is used to center align the text. Means if you want to align a center, then that time this alignment is useful. Yes, good, it is also true. Now read everyone. Cut option is used to cut the selected text. It is true. Undo option is present in home menu. False. Say everyone. The ribbon consists of the WordPad button, home and view menu. It is true. The tools on the home menu are used for formatting. It is also true. WordPad is a word processor program used to type text. True. B is used to underline the text. False. The font option is present in the view menu. False. It is used to center align the text. It is true. Now write down fast. Now we will see. Answer the following question. Now for that, don't open your book. Give answer fast. Firstly, write down this fast. Finish. Write down fast. Now, fifth one question. Answer the following questions. First one, what is WordPad? What is mean the WordPad? What is the definition of WordPad? Don't open your book. Give me answer fast. What is mean by WordPad? No. Okay. WordPad is the basic word processor which is more advanced than Notepad but simpler than Microsoft Word. What is mean the WordPad? Read everyone. WordPad is basic word processor which is more advanced than Notepad but simpler than Microsoft Word. And what is the use of WordPad? Yes, for writing we use the WordPad, and in WordPad we can change the font size, font color, font style. Now what is the second one? What is word processor? What is mean by word processor? A word processor is a computer program that you can use to create, edit, format, view and print the text document. Means if you want to write, if you want to if you want to format, view and print the text document, then WordPad is useful for us. Write down fast. Read everyone. What is WordPad? WordPad is basic word processor which is more advanced than Notepad but simpler than Microsoft Word. Second one, what is word processor? A word processor is a computer program that you can use to create, edit, format, view and print text document. Write down fast. Now third one. Name the four main components of WordPad window. Which are the four main components of the WordPad window? What is the name of this component? Good. Title bar, the WordPad button, quick access toolbar and the ribbon. Say everyone. Title bar, the WordPad button, the ribbon, quick access toolbar. And last one question. What is quick access toolbar? What is mean by quick access toolbar? What is mean by quick access toolbar? What is mean by quick access toolbar? The quick access toolbar means it is located at the top of the window. It contains buttons like save, undo, redo, and we can add more buttons on it and we can delete it also from it. What is use of the quick access toolbar? Now read with me everyone fast. Name the four main components of WordPad window. Title bar, the WordPad button, the ribbon, quick access toolbar or bar. Quick access toolbar or bar. In book it is bar only. Quick access bar. Fourth one, what is quick access toolbar? What is meant by quick access toolbar? It is located at the top of WordPad window. It contains buttons like save, undo, redo. And we can add more button in it and we can remove button from it. Okay. Now anyone having problem? Now what is the homework for you? Complete the skill sheet. If you not complete with me now, then no problem. I will send you PDF, that time complete it. Thank you.